Ako rin mo ng ganun, di ba?
Yes! It's 2 points. 2 points. Jersey number 11. Reading the ball. Rebound by jersey number 50. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 30. Asoy during the ball, pinasa sa labas, pinasa sa loob ulit. Good rebound by Kimada. Yes, 2 points by Kimada. Jersey number 11. Last 7 minutes and 11. Score, waiting Jersey number 11, 43, good. Nakuha ni jersey number 14 to Asoy. Asoy, setting the play. Pinasa kay Yansha, pinasa kay number 12 for 2. Very good, rebound by jersey number 0. Speed. It's out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng Puro 4. Prepare next game.
Dula ko size.
Yes, 2 points for jersey number 13.
Dula ko size.
After Dula ko, mag-ready na po yung mga kids. Meron po kayong tubig pa-games para sa inyo. Asoy 40, no good. Rebound by Los Santos to jersey number 11. Last 6 minutes and 10. Number 11, bringing the ball. It's a traveling without passport. Bola na Puro 3. Score 31-56.
Sebo, ako pala dukan. Wala ka pala chok, pero kahit tindahan na chok niya, at kasabot sa kuha.
Rebound by jersey number 15 to Inting. Inting bringing the ball. Inting tuloy-tuloy lang. Bringing the ball. Pinasa kay De Los Santos for 2. Yes, 3 points by De Los Santos.
Na, tarungan ninyo ay!
Kimada for 2. Yes, 3 points by Kimada. Napakabilis naman bumawi ng Puro 3. Inting. Inting, pinasa kay number 11. For 2, Liga. Magagawa ng bola, nakuha ni Asoy. Sabi ni Asoy, relax lang. Asoy, tuloy-tuloy. Yes, 3 points by Asoy. Inting. Last 5 minutes and 9. Inting. 16 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Inting. Pinasa sa loob. Very good. Asoy again. It's a foul by Inting. It's a third personal foul and first team foul. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Substitution na. Sulod na masulod, gawas na gawas.
Sulod!
It's a final quarter. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 50. Asoy. Yan siya, no good. Rebound by Kimada. 2 points. Nice pass by Yancha. Jersey number 11. 40. Very good. Nagagawa ng bola. Nagawa ni jersey number 12. To Kimada. Tuloy-tuloy ng Kimada. It's a flat. At nakuha ni Kimada. Pinasa kay Asoy. Napahawak sa pisngi.
Tira na yun!
Asoy.
Uy, galangay!
Nakuha ni Kimada. Naagaw. Pabata.
Oman, ditso good!
It's pabata.
Ay, nako!
Nagkahanap ng papasalan.
Ditso ka, Asoy!
Pinasa kay number 11. Number 11. Try to shoot. 4-3. Very good. Nakuha ni Asoy.
Wala! Patay ka, Soy!
Pinasa kay Yansha. Yansha, pinasa sa labas.
Tagay! Uy, klaro!
Remaining Last 3 minutes for the final quarter. Asoy. 40, no good. Rebound by Inting. Inting. Last 3 minutes for the final quarter. 20 to shoot. Inting. Tuloy-tuloy lang pinasa, bali-bali. Inting again. Pinasa sa loob. Bunyaw. Bali-bali again. Nakuha ni Asoy. Asoy. Diretso lang for 2. Yes, 2 points by Asoy. Bunyaw. Last 2 minutes and 26. Bunyaw. Bunyaw. Pinasa sa loob. Hindi nakuha. Bola ngayon ang progress. Last 2 minutes for the final quarter. Score 33-64 in favor of Progress. Kimada. Yes, 2 points by Kimada.
Buang man ko oy. Asa ra tanaw na to kung cellphone na dari. Ay, nako buang na ni. Yan, unsa man kayan? Angkas man kayan.
It's a foul. Committed by jersey number 25.
Asoy.
Bola na yun ng puro quarter. It's a second team foul. Remaining time is 1 minute and 40.
Bata. Taken.
Sa labas inside in team for 2. Good. Bunyaw, Bunyaw. To number 11, number 11. Balikan, yes, 2 points. Remaining time is 1 minute and 25. Score 35-66 in favor of Boracay. It's Pacano. A foul committed by jersey number 22. Bola ng Boracay. Last 1 minute and 12. It's a long pass inside to Kimada. Kimada. Pinasa sa labas. Intercept by Pabatak. To De Los Santos. To Inting. Inting. At Bungkogi. Inting. Pinasa kay De Los Santos. De Los Santos. For 2. Pambay Asoy. Seconds to play. Long pass to Kimada. Kimada. May pahawak pa sa ulo.
May basa ka na.
Seconds to play, 42 seconds. De Los Santos to Inting. Inting tuloy-tuloy pinasa sa loob. For 2, yes, 3 points by number 11. 30 seconds to play. 20 to shoot. 25 seconds. Long 3, no good. Rebound by Kimada. Yes, 2 points. 30 seconds to play. 10,
Ira, pagpakantil.
8, 7, 6, 2, 1.
Iyo.
Score 68-39. Lead for Robles.
Iyo. Ang muna din, apa? La, ha?
Okay.